Good morning, I'm Katie Young Gerald. I'm the founder of Bespoke Textiles and also the author of the Textile Touch. This is all about helping you create your own unique signature style that's equivalent to five-star brands. And it's all the tips and tricks that a five-star brand would use on the journey, which I have taken many brands on that journey to create their bespoke, unique style. Now I want to help people, the planet and your purses with sustainable style. So I've set up a Facebook group called the Sustainable Style Group, and also there's a YouTube Sustainable Style Show and Instagram Sustainable Style Show. I want to broadcast to you brilliant areas that you can, clothes that you can pick up and customize that may have had hidden in your wardrobes, but also need a revamp, an upcycle, and also to have a creative eye that really hones your unique style, reflects you, and helps you love yourself more. So you look fitter, you look more fabulous, and you look and feel your very best at all times. Now, whether you're in isolation or speaking to the Queen, I want you to feel your very self, and your clothes have the power of authentically communicating that. So there's a unique methodology that I've developed called the Bespoke methodology. It's all about beauty, ethics, style, people, organisation, kindness, and endless sustainable supply. And so doing things with sustainable ways to create your brand or your own personal style and curate your own wardrobe. So I create bespoke collections, but I also have been customizing my own core wardrobe and helping others customize theirs for over 35 years. And I now want to share this wisdom, this joy, this fun, and be an inspiration for you to do the same. So I hope you can join me on the journey. I'm really looking forward to connecting. We're going to be doing masterclass, we're going to do Zooms, workshops, especially while we're all in isolation. But beyond that, we can get together and really rock your style. Lots of love. Bye.